The object pad is the main toolkit for interacting with datasets. It appears automatically when a dataset is loaded from the library. The cutter enables precise slicing through datasets. Select it from the pad using the right trigger. The cutting tool will activate on your left controller. Press the trigger again to switch it to the right. To preview a cut, move your hand into the dataset. Pull the trigger to finalize the slice. To remove a cut, click the red X icon. Use the laser tool to interact with user interface elements. Select it by clicking the corresponding button on the pad. Masking is used to selectively control the visibility of specific regions within a dataset. When the tool is activated, a red ball appears at your controller's fingertip, allowing you to paint in 3D space. Pressing the mask button opens an additional panel. Use the slider to adjust the diameter of the red ball. Switch between 3 masking modes. Isolate keeps only the selected area visible. Hide makes it invisible. And highlight visually emphasizes selected areas. To remove masking, select the eraser tool, point at the affected area, and hold the trigger. Mask channels allow you to control multiple masked areas within your dataset. Switch channels to apply and manage independent masking effects. At the bottom of the panel, the volume of the currently masked area is displayed. To measure surface area, select the area measuring tool from the object pad. A black cone will appear at the controller's fingertip. While in the area connecting mode, use the additional panel to switch between area types. In the circular mode, use the trigger to place the center point. Each new point will connect to both the center and the previously placed point, forming a shape around the center. Select one of the points to close the shape. The surface area will be displayed in square millimeters. The new shape can be adjusted. Aim at a point and hold the trigger to reposition it. In the continuous mode, there is no fixed anchor point. Each new point connects to the 2 most recently placed points. To measure cylindrical shapes, switch to the cylinder connecting mode. First, set the diameter of the base, then the height of the figure. To measure linear distance, select the distance measuring tool. Set the start and end points with the trigger. Select the delete tool to remove objects such as measurements, shapes, or drawings from the workspace. A red X will appear at the controller's tip. Aim at the object and press the trigger to delete it. To resize a dataset, aim at the scale button. Then move your controller up or down while holding the trigger to adjust the size. To reposition a dataset, aim at the Move button and hold the trigger. Move your hand to place the dataset in a desired location. Aim at the Move Backward button, hold the trigger and move your controller up or down to change the dataset's distance from you. The number in the top right corner of the pad shows the current frame rate, helping you monitor how smoothly the app is running. To remove a dataset from the workspace, press the Delete button. The lighting button toggles the lighting on your dataset. In Medical Imaging XR, this function is only available in the PC VR mode. To measure an angle in 3D space, start by selecting the angle measuring tool from the pad. Then press the trigger to set the vertex and place the 2 arms of the angle by setting each endpoint. The angle will appear in degrees as soon as both lines are placed. Choose the drawing tool, hold the trigger, and move your controller to draw in the workspace. Use the stroke width slider to adjust the thickness of your lines. Pick a color from the extra panel and press the trigger to apply it to your drawing. To place a visual marker, select the marker tool. A colored arrow will appear at your controller's fingertip. Move it into place and press the trigger to drop the marker. To rotate the dataset, aim at the Rotate horizontally or Rotate vertically button. Hold the trigger and move your controller left and right for horizontal rotation, or up and down for vertical. Reposition the object pad by aiming at its handle, holding the trigger and dragging it to a desired location.